I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my husband's Jacob Alexander khaki satin bow tie. My husband loves to wear this tie, and the main reason that he loves wearing this tie is that it's super convenient. This tie comes already pre-tied, so he doesn't have to spend a lot of time, energy, and really frustration trying to get that perfect bow tie, that perfect knot. It's already tied for him. What he also loves is that it's adjustable, has a buckle on here that you can slide to adjust the size of it to your neck, and it is very comfortable to wear. He loves that it is made with this satin finish, which really makes the tie look like it's a formal tie. He has a khaki suit, so if you have a khaki suit, you can wear this tie with it, which it will match, and just swap out the shirt. So you don't have to be focused on matching colors. This is a very nice tie. He loves it. And that's my point of view.